will show you how to install reconspider tool in your Kali Linux in Android. So first make your terminal update and upgrade. For making your terminal update and upgrade, you have to copy this code. I given this code and commands and links in my Telegram channel, guys, so please visit there and copy it and paste it here. Okay, copy this one apt update and upgrade, copy it and paste it here. Okay, as for your Y or N, you have to type YU. Okay, when you press YU, it will get installed. Okay, after that, copy the first command, the tool. Okay, copy it, clone it in your terminal, paste it and press enter. It will take some minutes. Okay, see guys, started cloning. See guys, it's done. Okay, copy the second command, copy it and paste it. Okay, I already installed Python 3, that's why it's showing for me like this. It will take some minutes in your terminal, guys. After that, copy the third command, copy it and paste it here. Okay, see guys, now you are in the reconspider directory. You can see from here. Okay, after that, copy this one, fourth command, and paste it here. After that, make ls. ls means list. Okay, after that, type Python 3, copy this one, and press enter. Okay, so in this video I'll show only the installation process here, guys. So this video is only for education purpose. If you want a full practical video of this tool, you can join in my Telegram channel. It's free. So thanks for watching.
Yeah.